Hello kids. Let's learn the alphabets together. A is for apple. The apple is red. B is for ball. The ball is round. C is for cat. The cat is happy. D is for duck. The duck is yellow. E is for egg. The egg is oval. F is for fox. The fox is sleeping. G is for grapes. The grapes is purple. H is for house. The house is big. I is for ice cream truck. The ice cream truck is pink. J is for juice. The juice is orange. K is for kite. The kite is colorful. L is for lion. The lion says, roar. M is for moon. The moon is bright. N is for nose. Can you point to your nose? O is for octopus. The octopus has 8 long arms. P is for penguin. The penguin is waddly. Q is for queen. The queen is kind. R is for raspberries. The raspberries are yummy. S is for sheep. The sheep is white. T is for train. The train is fast. U is for umbrella. His umbrella is yellow. V is for violin. He is playing the violin. W is for whale. A whale's tail swishing in the water. X is for xylophone. Playing the xylophone is fun. Y is for yarn. The yarn is soft. Z is for zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. Let's say the alphabets again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job kids. You are awesome.